They're up in the air with the greatest of ease. Oops, except right there. They're side by side, gracefully to the end. Their stars, the drivers, are bigger than life. Next on World of Trucks. It's the 18th annual four-wheel jamboree, coming to you today from Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. Hello everyone, welcome to the World of Trucks. I'm Claude Wood, and when you say World of Trucks, what comes to mind immediately? It has got to be these monsters, these babies right here. Look at the fans in the stands. When they come out, when they fire these trucks up, you talk about the excitement, and that is what we have for you today. We have the Raminator, we have the Big Dog, almost a dozen monster trucks today, all for you on the World of Trucks. Now, with an in-depth look at exactly what is a monster truck, let's go to our pit reporter, Doc Riley.
Thanks, Claude. What is a monster truck? This is a big, bad monster truck. It doesn't matter if it's got a Ford, a Dodge, a Chevy, anything on the nameplate. They all have got a couple of things in common. The first, they have to weigh at least 9,200 pounds. That's the minimum weight. They all run on alcohol, supercharged engines. Now, unlike your regular truck where the business end is up underneath the hood, the business end here is in the bed. Blowers there, you can see the Littlefield blower. Lots and lots of horsepower, about 572 cubic inches, anywhere to up to about 1,400 horsepower. Fuel cell in the back. The reason for that, the weight distribution. These tires right here are 66 inches tall, and that really is the determining factor on what makes a monster truck a monster truck. John Seesock has a pretty aggressive cut on his tires through here, hoping to be able to dig into the ground and get that horsepower transferred from that big power plant right here to these tires. 9,200 pounds, 66-inch tires, and the rest is up to each individual driver. Monster Truck Racing, we've got 8 of them coming your way.
Thanks, Doc. Let's get it started with round one right now. Dan Runte comes to the line in Bigfoot, and his competitor will be Jim Kohler. Joining me in the booth today, expert analyst Rick Carlson. And Rick, what a great day of racing this is going to be.
It will be fun here. Remember, there are no times, just whoever gets to the other end first. Looks like Dan Runte and Bigfoot, that 572 cubic inch Hemi Ford, got there first.
And getting his stopped down on the other end. Rick, let's go to the replay and see just what happened there. He's off the line really fast.
Right, looks like Jim Kohler in that 55 Chevrolet, the Avenger, just had no power from the beginning. Runte was a runaway.
That he was. Down to the top end, here's Doc Riley.
Well, Team Bigfoot's brought out one of the big guns, Jim Kramer, one of the original drivers back, more than a couple years back right there. Hey, looked like he put down a pretty good pass.
Well, it wasn't bad. You know, our camp thinks the right lane is the lane to be in. Dan did draw the left lane. That's the way it goes. He handled it very well. Got over the first jump, got a little crooked, but the Hemi came back, pulled him through.
Dale Benear backing up the Ramunition Dodge, getting ready to do business, and he will face the Big Dog. And Rick, the Big Dog, well known everywhere.
Right, Big Dog, Doug Nolke has a couple of victories this year. Benear currently in second spot in the points chase in the Ramunition Dodge. Dodge and Ford, and it looks like Big Dog, your Ford wins it.
And Rick, that was a very close race, and we mentioned a few minutes ago the winner determined by who gets to the finish line first. Rick, take us through it.
They left evenly. You can see coming off the first jump that Big Dog Ford in the near lane, a little bit of a lead. Now it looks like Ramunition has taken over, but right there, landing first, Big Dog, your win again.
Once again, Doc Riley.
Time for a little Big Dog party, huh, here in Bloomsburg. Nice pass. Oh, thank you, man. That felt really good. Last night, track's a little loose, you know, qualifying and stuff like that, but, man, that felt good. Usually we come to Bloomsburg and it's just dry, dry, dry. They've had a lot of rain early in the week. Do you think that's going to help the track later on today?
Oh, yeah. The track, I mean, it's got a lot of moisture in it. It's not dry and dusty, you know. You're getting good traction out there. So, man, just hang on, put her to the floor and see what happens, man. Thanks.
World of Trucks is being brought to you by Stainless Steel Brakes. Performance brakes built right by Stainless Steel Brakes and by Lund. Get the look.